Today, in honor of folks joining the church, we're going to sing a song that's become a little bit like a theme around here. And you've heard me say this before, but it's always worth repeating and giving Dodie the credit for bringing us these words. And lo and behold, we found a setting of the words that Dodie brought us in our own hymnal, and we've now done it a few times, and it just really sums up, so many of us feel, the things that this church stands for and strives to be. So if you'd like to follow along or even sing along, it's number 309. 309 in the hymnal, and do sing along with us if you're moved, and follow the words. We really feel that this drives it home for what we try to do here.